Hello my friends, how are you today? The last session we learned the letter T. Can you guess what the letter is today? Yes, we learned the letter U. Are you ready? Let's go. This is letter U. U make the sound of A, A, A. U says A. Say it with me, my friends. U says, Oh, excellent. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella start with the letter U. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for up. Up. U is for under. Under. The girl under the table. Now my friends, let's learn how to write letter U. To write letter U, we'll start at the top and do a line down. Then we'll curve and go back up. Let's try it again. Line down and curve and go back up. Good job, my friends. Now we have finished. See you in the next video. Bye bye.